Haystax also has a very important role and responsibility in school safety. Basic blocking and tackling of physical security assessments, along with understanding the floor plans, hazardous materials, other things that can affect your people, places, and things, are all captured in Haystax for better understanding and certainly better response for planned events and unplanned incidents. We've taken the Haystax platform even further into the areas that we're very familiar with, behavioral science around behavioral threat intelligence and behavioral threat management. In fact, today, Haystax has an entire suite of case management specifically to work on behavioral-related problems, whether in the schools or even in a workplace, for example. To learn more, visit securepassage.com.